In this Technical Tuesday, I'll be discussing the difference between dairy tube and general purpose tube. These tubes both look exactly the same on the outside, however internally they are different. When tube is formed, there is a weld bead created where the two edges of the rolled stainless meet. The tube is then polished externally to a 320 grit finish, and if it is going to be dairy tube, it is also polished internally to remove the weld bead and create a hygienic internal surface. Dairy tube is therefore suitable for food and beverage lines. Since general purpose tube still has a weld bead on the inside, it is suitable for non-hygienic uses such as glycol, wastewater and handrails. General purpose tube is typically cheaper than dairy tube due to having one less step in the production process. I hope this helps you identify which tube you can use for your project. If there's anything else we can help with, then get in touch with the metal company because we make buying stainless steel easy.